All right, let's cut through all the noise around generative AI. We're going to show you exactly how to build really powerful AI applications using AWS. So, if you've been sitting here wondering, where do I even start? Well, think of this as your official launchpad. So, let me just ask you straight up, are you ready to start building the future? Because that's exactly what we're going to give you the blueprint for in the next few minutes. Okay, let's be real for a second. We all see the dream of generative AI, right? Instant innovation, building these incredible apps, leading the market. But the reality for a lot of people, it's hitting a wall. A wall made of complex tools, surprisingly high costs, and just slow, frustrating development. We call this the Gen AI gap. And today is all about showing you how AWS helps you leap right over it. So here's our blueprint for today. First, we'll quickly nail down the challenge. Then, we'll open up the AWS AI Toolkit. After that, we'll talk about the real advantages, dig into the trade-offs you'll need to think about, and wrap up by getting you totally ready to build. Let's dive in. Okay, Section 1, the Generative AI Challenge. The big idea here is, how do we get from these huge, kind of abstract concepts to actual, concrete applications that you can build and that people can use? And this slide, this really gets to the heart of it. For so long, building your own custom, secure AI that could actually scale, but like trying to break through a brick wall. You needed deep, deep expertise and a massive budget. Well, that's what is fundamentally changing right now. So, how do we actually break down that wall? That leads us right into Section 2, your AWS AI Toolkit. Think of this as your personal tour of the most essential services that let you start building immediately. First up, we have Amazon Bedrock. And honestly, the best way to think of this is like an app store, but for incredibly powerful AI models from all the top companies. And the best part, you get access to all of them through one single, simple API. It makes getting started ridiculously fast. Now, what if you just want to play, test out a cool idea without writing a single line of code? That is exactly what Party Rock is for. It's a playground for Bedrock. It's your creative sandbox to just experiment, have fun, and see what's possible with this tech, fast. But for those of you who want more control, who want to get your hands on the entire machine learning process, there's Amazon SageMaker Jumpstart. Think of this like a hub of expert-designed blueprints for your projects. It gives you models, algorithms, and even complete solutions to manage the whole process, from training all the way to deployment. And finally, there's Amazon Q. Now, this one's a little different. It's an AI-powered assistant that's designed specifically for work. You can tailor it to your business, your data, your documents, your code, so it can help your teams get insights and answers, all securely within your own environment. So the main takeaway here is just picking the right tool for the job. It's pretty simple. As you can see, if you want easy app development and you want AWS to do the heavy lifting, Bedrock is your go-to. If you need complete control over the entire ML process, you'll want SageMaker Jumpstart. And for that tailored, secure assistant for your business, you've got Amazon Q. Okay, so we've seen the tools. Now let's talk about the payoff. This brings us to Section 3, the AWS advantage. Why should you build your AI apps here in the first place? What's the real benefit? Well, when you build on AWS, you get a bunch of critical advantages right out of the box. We're talking enterprise-level security, help with compliance, frameworks for responsible AI. But for builders like us, the two biggest wins are right there at the bottom. A dramatically lower barrier to entry and just incredible speed to market. And when I say speed to market, this is what I mean. It's a simple, fast track to get your idea out there. You discover and pick your model. You experiment with it in a playground. You integrate it with that single API call, and then you deploy securely and scale it up. It makes the whole thing feel achievable. Of course, building anything powerful means you've got to make smart, strategic choices, which brings us to Section 4, understanding the trade-offs. Now, don't think of these as problems. Think of them as informed decisions you get to make about cost and performance right from the very beginning. One of the first big decisions is pricing. With Amazon Bedrock, you've really got two main options. There's token-based pricing, which is your classic pay-as-you-go. It's perfect when you're just experimenting or have unpredictable workloads. On the other side, you've got provisioned throughput. That's where you reserve capacity for a fixed price. This is what you want for a big application where you need guaranteed, rock-solid performance. And this chart just visualizes that choice perfectly. Token-based gives you amazing flexibility, but your costs might go up and down. provisioned throughput gives you that predictable cost and guaranteed performance. The right choice really just depends on what your application needs. And here's a pro tip. It's so important to remember that the cost of just running the model, what we call inference, is only one piece of the pie. As you can see, you also have to think about training, data storage, and integrating it with your app. You've got to look at the whole picture to understand the real cost. So this all boils down to a key question you have to ask yourself as you're starting a project. What is your number one priority right now? Is it cost, flexibility for a brand new idea? Or is it predictable performance for an app you know is going to scale? And that leads us right to our final section, building your AI future. We've gone through the challenge, the tools, and the trade-offs. Now let's talk about what you're going to do next.
Look, if there's one single thing to take away from all of this, it's this. The tools are here. The platform is ready. That massive barrier to building world-class generative AI, it has never, ever been lower.
Which leaves us with just one final, really exciting question. And this one's for you. Now that you've got the blueprint, what will you build?